Imagine recording the perfect shot, only to realize later it's completely blown out and unusable. Most people think that footage is ruined forever. But what if I told you you can actually recover it? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix overexposed footage inside Premiere Pro, even if it looks completely destroyed. We'll break down what overexposure actually is when footage can't be saved, and the exact step-by-step method to recover it. Let's get into it. Overexposure happens when too much light hits your camera sensor. This causes loss of detail in highlights, washed out whites, and almost no contrast. And here's the truth. Not all footage can be saved. If your highlights are completely blown out, the data is gone. But in many cases, you can still recover enough to make it usable. The best way to fix overexposure. Don't let it happen. But realistically, if you shoot vlogs or run-and-gun content, mistakes happen. So let's fix them. Step 1. Use Lumetri Color. Go to Color, Lumetri Color panel. Step 2. Understand waveform. The waveform shows brightness levels. Top 100+, Gokers blown highlights. Bottom 0, Fofriakers crushed shadows. Goal, keep everything between 0, 100. Step 3. Fix highlights first. Start by lowering highlights. Whites. Don't overdo it, or your footage will look flat. Step 4. Adjust shadows and blacks. Lower shadows slightly. Add blacks carefully. This restores contrast. Step 5. Add contrast back. When you reduce highlights, you lose contrast. So, increase contrast gradually. Step 6. Use tone curves. Create a subtle curve. Slight dip in highlights. Slight lift or control in shadows. This helps recover depth. Step 7. Add color back. Overexposed footage looks gray. Fix it using saturation, around 110-130. Vibrance, small boost. Step 8. Optional LOT. Add a light LOT for style, but keep intensity low. If your entire waveform is above 100, that footage is gone. No detail, mono, no recovery. At that point, delete it and move on. Before versus after. Flat, balanced, blown out, controlled, unusable, usable. It won't be perfect, but it's saved. If you learned something from this, drop a like and subscribe. And if you want more editing tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.